You are welcome and have a nice day. Today we are going to discuss about the partnership business. As you already seen, some professionals start partnership businesses to provide their professional services such as lawyers, accountants, tax officers and doctors. To govern partnership businesses within Sri Lanka, the Partnership Ordinance of 1890 affected partnership. We can define the partnership as the relationship among persons conducting a business in common with an objective to earn profit. When we take this definition, there should be more than one person to have a partnership. Then there should be a business relationship among these partners. They should work together to conduct this business and their objective should be to earn profit. Then we move to the characteristics of partnerships. In Sri Lanka, there should be two members minimum to commence a partnership business. The maximum number of members within a partnership is limited to 20 members according to Act number 7 of 2007, that is Company Act in Sri Lanka. Hence, minimum number of members or partners is determined by Partnership Ordinance and the maximum is determined based on Company Act in Sri Lanka. Then partnership agreement. There should be some agreement about the way of continuing business and profit sharing and any other important terms among partners. This kind of agreement is known as partnership agreement. This agreement can be written, oral or implied. However, Prevention of Fraud Ordinance mentioned that if the initial capital of the partnership is greater than 1000 rupees, a partnership is required to be conducted under written agreement. If the agreement is written, it is known as partnership deed. Then unlimited liability of partners. That means partners are liable to sacrifice their private properties even to pay off the debt if the assets of the business are not sufficient to pay off its debt. Their liability to pay debts are not limited to their invested capital. Then no mandatory to register partnerships. It is not required to register compulsorily if the partnership is conducted under the full name of all the partners. But if the partnership is conducted under different name, the business name should be registered under the registrar of the respective provincial council is the authorized officer to the register business name. Then no separate legal identity. Hence, a partnership is unable to perform any legal activities in its business name. Instead of that, partners are required to use their personal names in legal matters. That is because partnership is not considered as a legal person in front of law. Then, no continued existence. Due to death of a partner or a partner being mentally unstable, the existence of a partnership will be chased. Next, we will discuss about the advantages of partnership. First, convenient to commence. Since there are limited number of legal regulations pertaining to The commencement and conduct of partnership are comparatively low. It is easy to commence like sole proprietorship. This is an advantage when we compare about the incorporated companies. Then we can raise more capital since there are more than one member. This is a clear advantage when we compare about the sole proprietorship. Then can utilize different skills of partners. If we conduct a partnership, we can assign liabilities based on different skills of partners to get their maximum. Then shared liability among partners. This is not like sole proprietorship. Since there are more than one person, the liabilities can be shared among partners. Then can take collective decisions. Partners can consider different views of different partners and discussing those views they can make more effective decisions than decisions in sole proprietorship. Then let's move to disadvantage. Unlimited liability means partners are unlimitedly liable regarding the debts of the business. That liability is not limited to their invested capital. They are liable to sacrifice their personal properties to pay off that debt. Next disadvantage is profit shared among partners. In a sole proprietorship, there is no share in profit. However, since there are more than one person as partners, they are sharing profits. As a result, portion of profits for a partner may be very limited. Then the conflicts among partners. Conflicts can be arise when they making decisions by discussing different thoughts. Then no continued existence means a partnership may be dissolved due to some incidents. Those incidents are death of a partner or a partner being mentally unstable. Then no legal personality. The partners are required to use their own personal names in all legal activities of the partnership, including court cases, obtaining loans, obtaining assets, etc. That is because partnership is not accepted as a legal person in front of law. That is end of this video. See you in next video.